Good morning to all of you. Today we study about the graph that used in the physics generally. Now we see here this is x-axis, x dash, y-axis, and here y dash. This is origin. This is origin. Let us suppose that our straight line passing through this. The equation of this y is equal to mx minus c. Here this is equal to c. This is equal to c, and m is equal to tan theta. This is a straight line. Equation of this straight line y is equal to mx minus c. Now second graph, this is x dash, here y, and this y dash. If the graph passing through this, this is a theta. This is theta angles, and passing through origin. This is also a straight line. Straight line, and equation of this y is equal to mx. Equation of this is y is equal to mx. M is equal to tan theta, where m is equal to tan theta. Now third graph, this is y dash, this is x dash, y dash. This is origin, and if our line passing through this and this, then this is in positive direction, that is theta, and this equal to c, so that this is also a straight line. And equation of this y is equal to mx plus c. Equation of this line y is equal to mx plus c. M is equal to tan theta. Here m equal to what? M equal to tan theta, and theta less than 90 degree. Theta less than what? 90 degree. Theta less than 90 degree, and m is a positive value. M is a positive value. In this case, equation of this straight line y is equal to mx plus c. Now fourth graph, here this is x-axis, y-axis, and this is x x dash y and y dash, and this is origin. If the line passing through this, our theta, this, in this case, m is equal to what? M is equal to tan theta, and theta greater than 90 degree. Theta greater than 90 degree. It means that theta is negative. M is negative value. M is negative value, and equation of this is y is equal to mx plus c. Equation of this is y is equal to mx plus c. Equation. This is also a straight line. This is also a straight line, and equation become this. Now fifth graph. This is x dash, y and y dash. This is origin. Now such type of curves, x equal to ky square. X equal to ky square. This is a parabola. This curve is known as parabola, and if the mouth of the curve in reverse direction like this is x dash, and this is y and y dash. If the mouth of parabola in such type, this is also a parabola, and equation of this parabola equal to x equal to minus ky square. X equal to minus ky square, and in mathematically generally it can y square is equal to 4ax. Use this, and this use y square is equal to minus 4ax. In mathematics, but in physics, x is equal to ky square, and for the curve of this parabola, x is equal to minus ky square. Now, seventh figure. This is x dash, and here y and y dash. Now mouth of parabola in up direction. Mouth of parabola up direction. y equal to kx square. Here equation of this curve y is equal to kx square. This is also a parabola, but its open mouth is in up directions. And now a figure here, this x and x dash, here y and y dash. In this case, the mouth of parabola open in downward direction, so that equation of this parabola y equal to minus kx square, minus kx square, and this is also a parabola. Difference of this and this mouth up direction and this mouth in the downward directions. Now next, now x dash y and y dash here this distance is a, it is also a, this is also equal to a, so that this figure represent circle CIR, circle. This represent circle, and equation of this is equal to x square plus y square equal to a square. Equation of this curve is equal to x square plus y square equal to a, and here the radius of the circle is a. If trace it, x is equal to 0, y is equal to plus minus, x is equal to 0, y is equal to plus minus a, plus a minus a, y equal to 0, x is equal to plus minus a, here and here we trace with the help of this curve. Now this and this is x dash, and here y and y dash. Now we take such type of figure. This figure is known as this figure is known as ellipse. This figure is known as ellipse, just like shape of egg. यानी अंडा के आकृति जैसा यह है, just like that is a just like shape. Here this distance is A and this distance is B. This distance A, this is A, this is B and this is B. Now A is semi-major axis, semi-major axis. Here semi-major and B is semi-minor. A is semi-major axis and B is semi-minor axis. Semi-minor axis, and equation of this is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Equation of this is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the equation of this curve. This curve is known as ellipse. This curve is known as ellipse. Now we take another figure 11th, this and this. This is x dash, and this is y and y dash. Now we take just like curve here in this type, that is a rectangular hyperbola. This curve is known as rectangular hyperbola. This is now figure 10, x dash y dash. This is our curve. This curve is known as rectangular hyperbola. In this case, product of x and y is always constant, and x proportional to 1 by y or y proportional to 1 by x. But here this x and y dash and x dash, this curve is known as exponential decay. Exponential decay, and y is equal to e के power minus kx. This is used in the carbon scale, where we calculate the age of the trees or for any things. Now here trace y equal to sin x. Sin function solution, we take the value of x 0, pi by 6 means pi का मतलब 180 degree divided by 6 is 30 degree. Pi by 4 180 degree divided by 4 and 45 degree. Pi by 3 180 by 3 equal to 60 degree. We calculate the value of x and corresponding to get the value of sin x, 0, 0.5. This is we learn. This is also, this also, this also, and this. Now then see that 0 to 1. After that 0, फिर negative. Such type our curve. Now this value we see with the help of sine tables and put it. We draw the curve sin x 0, 0, pi by 2 equal to 1 maximum, and this 0 after that negative here 0, pi by 2, and after that pi here, and such type of this pi by 2 minus pi minus 3 pi by 2 again in the initial position minus 2 pi here 2 pi. This is the curve of y equal to sin x, y equal to sin x. Now like and subscribe videos and share with your friends. Thank you.